Disassembly steps. Dismantle the locating bearing unit. Dismantle the bearing housing components. Take off the V-ring. Dismantle the shaft seal units. Dismantle the fastening tie rods. Move out the end cover. Move out the port plate. Move out the rotor assembly. Assembly steps. Apply sealant to the end cover. Install the port plate on the end cover. Install the rotor assembly. Apply sealant to the port plate. Install the pump body. Install the port plate and end cover on the other end. Install the tie rods. Place the assembled unit on the workbench and level up the pump foot. Check the locking torque of the tie rods. Install the shaft seal units. Measure the compression of the mechanical seal and tighten the rotating ring of the mechanical seal. Install the V-rings. Install the bearing housing components. Adjust the paired clearance of the locating bearings. Install the locating bearing unit. Adjust the pump clearance. Install the bearing protection cover.